Tom loved watching his dad build things.
That looks so cool on me, Dad.
It takes patience.
School starts tomorrow.
For real? That could be me. I am so mad. I want to go to school tomorrow.
That is a strong opinion.
Please.
I am full.
Who is that boy?
That's me. My teacher helped me build that boat.
It looked Tom could not stop thinking about school. He was already dreaming about his first school.
It's school day. Best morning ever. 1 arm, 2 arms, no mistakes. Professional student. Do schools have science on day 1?
Sometimes.
What if I become class president before lunch?
Let's start with
Wow, it is bigger than on TV.
Yeah, and TV doesn't smell like crayon.
That boat looks familiar.
Oh, hey there. You must be Tom.
Yes,
We are practicing letters, Tom.
this is almost letters, and also your face.
Airplane 1 is ready.
Tom, keep it in the sky and away from heads.
This school is huge!
Yes, and you do not need to visit all of it in 1 minute.
Stand it gently, then shape it slowly.
Got it.
For the first time that day, Tom slowed down enough to really learn. Please look like a real boat.
Careful, almost there. When I was little, my teacher helped me build my first boat. He taught me to slow, but meaning often arrives in the quiet moment after.
How was the big first day?
It was amazing, and also very busy. I ate the math apple. School was louder, funnier, and deeper than I thought. I want to do better tomorrow.
Ready for day 2?
Yes, and maybe a little calmer. School version 2, less chaos, more. I made something.
You made this?
Yes, for you.